Zhongshan Patoly Technology Company Limited was established in 2009. We are the manufacturer specialized in thermal energy products, gas water heater, gas stove, and humidifier, which is a collection of research and development, production, sale, and service. At the same time, undertake OEM and ODM order. In order to synchronize manufacturing and testing, we continuous introduction advanced inspection equipment. We are not only obtained the CE and ROHS, but also passed ISO 9001 certification. With high quality and competitive prices, our products are exported to the Middle East, America, Africa, South America, and Europe market. We always pursue not only to improve the quality and value of goods, but also to reflect customer satisfaction. We are always believe that your satisfaction is our greatest happiness. Welcome to Patoly.